Good morning all. Today I'm Ansigal from Electronics and Communication Department of ECE Brain section is here on the behalf of our team Mac technician to present our interesting project that is on movie work under the guidance of Mr. Bhuvaneshwar. Now here is our project title Movie Ticket Booking System, and this project is in C language. Our team name is Mac technician. Team members are Mansigal, Kritika Singh and Ayesha Singh, and submitted to Mr. Bhuvaneshwar sir. Here is project description in which we discussed about team name as Mac technician, team members Mansi Garg, Kritika Singh and Ayushi Singh, domain name entertainment, project title movie world, and there is project description. This project is aimed at developing a ticket reservation system for cinema halls. In this, the users or customers are given option to book, update or cancel a movie ticket. It gives information to the customer about the movie's name and timing. It shows the layout of the seats of theater with price of the seats. In this, customer can update his seat number or can cancel the ticket with the help of booking ID provided as a unique key during booking. In this project, there are some entities: movie entity, customer entity, booking entity, payment seat, and show entity. Some attributes to the entities are: in movie entity, movie name, type and R; in customer entity, customer name and mobile number; in booking entity, booking ID and date; in payment entity, payment date, mode and amount; in seat entity, seat number and type; in show entity, show name, time and date. Here is ER diagram. In this, admin has to log in into the system by providing username and password. After this, he asks customer about the booking update or cancel, then asks customer about his name and mobile number. After selection of booking update or cancel, he will ask about the seat number and type. Then and finally the mode of payment, payment amount and payment date. Here is use case diagram of this project. In this, person on duty of ticket counter has to log in into the system by providing your username and password. After this, main menu will be shown, that is booking, update or cancel. He asks the customer about to choose one of the three options as booking, update or cancel. If he select the booking option, he has to select movie name, slot and seat number as row and column. Finally, print the ticket receipt with booking ID as a unique key. If the customer choose update option, he has to enter the provided booking ID during booking. Then he has to select new seats for updation. Then finally, updated receipt will be shown with same information except booking ID. Booking ID will be new. And if customer choose option cancel, then also he has to enter the provided booking ID. After confirmation of cancellation, the refunded receipt will be shown. After this, there are screen designs. First screen, sign up and sign in screen. The admin has to choose one option, sign in or sign up. If he choose sign up, then he has to enter username, password and re-enter password. Then third screen is login screen, in which admin have to enter username and password. Then choice option will be shown as booking, update and cancel, and ask the customer to choose one of the option. Then if customer choose booking option, then booking menu will be shown, from which customer has to enter one movie name and one timing. After this, seat layout will be shown, from which he has to select the number of seats to be booked, enter the row and enter the column. Then final ticket will be shown, in which movie name, timing, seat, mobile number and booking ID with total amount will be shown. Then after, if he choose update option, then update menu will be shown, in which he has to enter the provided booking ID. Then seats will be shown, he had booked during booking. Then cancellation will be proceed. He has to re-enter his booking ID and ticket will cancel. Then he has to re-enter the seat numbers as the number of seat to be booked, number of row or number of column. Now let's come to actual screens. First, login screen. In this you have to select one option from sign in and sign up. If you choose sign up option, then you have to enter username, password and re-enter password. Then sign in username and password. Then main menu will be shown, from which you have to select one option from booking, update and cancel. If you choose booking option, then booking menu will be shown, from which you have to select one movie name and movie timing. Then from seat layout you have to enter the number of seats to be booked, then enter the column and enter the row. Here blue stars represents the already booked seats. Then finally we received our movie ticket, in which movie name, timing, seat and mobile number with booking ID will be shown and total amount. Here are updated screens. In this, if you choose update option, then update menu will be shown, in which you have to enter provided booking ID as shown, seats will be shown, then cancellation of the ticket will be proceeding. Then you have to select again the seat number, row and column. And finally we get our updated ticket, in which all the information remains same except booking ID. Booking ID is new. And there are cancel screen. In this, if you choose cancel option, then only you have to enter the booking ID. After this, seats will be shown and the ticket will cancel. Now there is project recording.